Before the opening bell, U.S. indices they closed down on Thursday, pressured by shares in automobiles and components, banks, and semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors. While on the economic docket, personal income falling 2% month over month in March. Personal spending that dropped 7.5% month over month in March, marking a new record low. Also, initial jobless claims figures declined to 3.83 million for the week ended April 25th, and continuing claims they managed to rise a total of 17.99 million for the week ended April 18th, marking a new record high. This all as 86% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Meanwhile, taking a look at the markets after hours, Amazon.com dropping after posting first quarter EPS of $5.01, significantly missing the estimate, down from $7.09 a year ago. Net sales were up to $75.5 billion, better than expected, but the company expects to spend the entirety of the second quarter profits on COVID-related expenses. Apple losing some ground in extended trade as the company did not provide forecasts following its earnings report for the first time in more than a decade, and Gilead Sciences reporting first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.68, above expectations and down from $1.76 a year ago on revenue of $5.55 billion. That's up 5.1% on the year. The company said it expanded remdesivir manufacturing production and expects that more than 140,000 treatment courses of remdesivir will be manufactured by the end of May. Meanwhile, in terms of expectations today, we do have results from ExxonMobil, Chevron, as well as Honeywell. Meanwhile, on the economic docket, right after the opening bell, we have market manufacturing PMI reads as well as ISM manufacturing PMI. We also have March construction spending, and then taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the downside prevail. The Nasdaq that's under pressure, while the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus. The relative strength index shows downside momentum. Short positions below 24,000 ADR favored, with targets at 23,550 and 23,300 in extension.